Yes or no? Hello and welcome to today's video. I always say I want to say my introduction at the end when I look all good because I look horrible. I don't even have lotion on my face yet because I did my face mask and I want to put the serum on. Now, the face mask we will talk about soon. I'm just still in the middle of trying it out. So far I love it, but that's going to be another whole video. But I also have from Cure an all-in-one face serum, and that short will go out before this video. Oh look, it goes like that. Oh, and it came with a nice pink headband. I've been using it. I left it in the bathroom, but I've been trying this and loving it, and it really is an all-in-one. I feel like once you put this in your skin, on your skin, I say in because I push it in, you really don't need any of the oils and serums. You can, it's not gonna hurt, but you feel so complete once this is on. Look at the moisture level there. And now, but I always do go in, like that's a complete serum. I always go in with my lotion though after. You guys know the only lotion I like to use if I'm not trying anything new out. My L'Oreal Collagen. It's the only thing that really helped with my dry skin like 15 years ago. I said, let me try, maybe 15, maybe 10 years. For like over 10 years. And I'm like, I was having a problem. And then I tried that and it was the only thing, and it's the only thing that made me feel perfectly, I don't know, I just love the way this makes my skin feel. I'm back. I was gone for a couple hours there. I look so much darker because I went in the bathroom. I'm like, oh, I haven't used this in a while. My Luna Bronze Cosmic Drops. And I just added that to a serum because I like to mix that with my lotion, but my lotion was here. I think I put too much in. There were some things that I wanted to quickly with the makeup because I'm going to make today about the hair. Just show you some things that I have or been trying. I don't know what they are, but let's just get makeup on. I already did this on my video, but I'm just going to put this on. I don't know why I took my turban off. Oh, I already applied hair product, that's why. I applied Heritage, but again, we'll talk about that when the hair portion comes up. If you're here for the hair only, you can feel free to skip. This is just, it's a glow booster for radiant skin, and I think that it does give me radiant looking skin. So I like to use that. I keep seeing this all over TikTok lately. I'm like, I think I have that. So I think it was from, I believe I got it in my Ipsy, but I'll use it. This is a 2-in-1 concealer tint. It's like skin. And everybody's raving about it, so I'll pull it back out again. Did I even do a video on this? It was, like I said, I think it was part of my Ipsy. I'm going to use it as concealer because this, I don't like to put foundation all over anyway. I put like 3 layers of stuff on my face already anyway. I think we have enough. Even though most of it is just moisturizers with tint in it, but it's working on my skin whilst covering up my skin tone. Is that nice? I think I'm going to need a concealer. I'll use this, the LYS concealer that came recently. I did want to do a video just using their products. Not that I have a lot. I only have this and that, this and another one in a darker color. I love this brand. I really do. Again, I wouldn't know about them if it wasn't for my Ipsy, which is why I like my Ipsy. And today, I got the email from them to pick out my products, which is like so fun. I look forward to that email, like, oh, it's time to pick your 3 choices, and you get to choose out of like 6 items, all different types, makeup, skincare, you have just anything, and you get to choose 3 items, and out of those 3 items there's 6 to choose from, all different stuff for each one. So you get the items that they always give to everybody, I suppose, maybe like 2 items, and then you pick the rest, and I love it. How about we look in the mirror? Don't forget this spot, guys. You don't want mismatched coloring. If you're gonna have your hair back, I would even go there. Since summer's really over, I'm excited about bronzing and not blushing. I'm going in with my NARS. The blush was nice in the summer, like especially like if it was a hot day and you had an event, and it did look good. Blush looked nice, but you know what? I'm more of a bronzer girl. Setting powder, I know I use the same one all the time, but it comes with a lot and I love it. So unless I get free ones, I'm not buying any other one because this is what it works. This is the Laura Mercier setting powder, translucent. Like, look at this. It is magic. And I don't use a lot. I don't do the baking See how much better the face looks right now? Sometimes if I could just do the face alone, I'll be happy. It's all my sunspots. Are they like age spots now? Is that the same thing? That was $1 Billion Brow. Definitely the best eyebrow. I got that from Ipsy too, actually. See, I get introduced by these names through my Ipsy boxes. I love Anastasia too, but it's so funny. I have one. I was so excited. I came in my Ipsy. I'm not even just saying that. This is not even an Ipsy. This isn't even an Ipsy video, but I feel like I'm talking a lot about Ipsy because that's how I got introduced to so many of these brands. But I was saying that I got an Anastasia brow pencil from them not too long ago, and I was like, wow, that's a hit. You know, it's great. It's an expensive brow pencil, but it's really nice. And I have a shelving where all my makeup is, and I went to like just chuck it in the basket, and I went behind it. So I don't have it anymore, but I will one day. Be very excited when I find that, when I move my furniture around, which, speaking of that, hopefully will be soon. Oh, guys, I forgot. Oh no! The video was supposed to be about this. I just saw an ad for this Victoria Beckham Contour Sculpt and Detail contour stick, and I got it, and I was supposed to make it. I've had it forever, and I haven't used it yet. And look what I did. I put bronzer on anyway. I guess we can look at it. I love Victoria Beckham makeup. I love Victoria Beckham because I think we had kids around the same time, so I kind of feel like we're on the same. I wish I was on the same path as her, but it comes with a little bag no matter what you order. I love it. All right, obviously, sorry guys. I'm gonna have to make a short. That's gonna look really nice. It kind of reminds me of an eyeshadow stick. I mean, I love my NARS bronzer. That's probably my favorite bronzer, but I really want to try this. This was the whole point of this video. Alright, well, really it's about the hair, so let me just finish my makeup, because now I'm annoyed. As I was cleaning out my makeup, I came across this Becca palette, and I'm like, this is like a brand new palette. It's like, is it even used? They're mostly shimmers, but it has a black and a brown, but I was going to use it, and then I realized, no, there's no, I like to at least have one cream, so I'm not going to use it. But I know if I need a black shadow, there's only a certain few palettes that I have that have a black shadow in there. And, you know, you don't use a lot, but at least I know they're one of them now. And they're like, even though, I don't even know if you can get this anymore. That's how old this is. But these are nice shimmers. I got this too in the CVS. I don't know why I bought that. I rarely use... Oh no, I do use highlighter, and I always use an old one. Maybe that's what I was thinking. That's how long ago I got this. This is Halo Glow Beauty Wand Highlight. I like e.l.f. because they're affordable and good. That's so pretty. I gotta do my lips. Should I go dark or light? Oh, let's go crazy. I need lip liners in every room. I think I have an Ipsy. I think I have a lip liner coming in my Ipsy. Seriously, lip liners. Before you outline lips to be big, I still use a lip liner. Before the big lips were in, because it's like coloring. It's literally like coloring. Remember when you used to outline it and then color in? It literally just looked neater. That's exactly what it is. If you just color and there's no like edge, it's literally the same thing. I don't do it to make my lips bigger. Sometimes I'll do it if I'm going out just for fun, but this is literally just so that it looks polished. Doesn't mean you're trying to make bigger lips. It's fine. I always used a lip liner. I used to use my eyeliner, which was brown, as the same. It's convenient. What color? Oh, this is kind of nice. You know what? I'm just gonna go with that. It's different. It's more pink. I think pink is in. Pink lipstick. I don't know where I saw that. Wow, I like that. Okay guys, my hair at this point is probably dry. That is the NARS Explicit Lipstick. Okay, makeup is complete. I will list everything below that I used. It will be connected to my shop because I find that just easier. You just have to click one and then you go to, oh no, not my shop, ShopMy. And there might not be links there because I can't find them, but I just have you go to their website. Did you see my short? I tried 2 different curl brushes. One on one side, one on the other side. Because everybody's doing all these videos and I'm like, you know what, I gotta try one of these. I always use the Demdem brush. I thought that was the thing, and now this curl brush is the new thing everywhere. So I went on TikTok shop and I ordered them all on here, and I gotta be honest with you, I forgot. I did that video and then literally the next day, I got this in the mail. I got a 3rd one. I'm gonna put up where I got it on the TikTok shop. I think it says it's unavailable though, so apologies there. But I'm gonna do the whole video on this one because as I liked the other ones, they made my hair look good. It was a tie. I said I liked them both. One was Bounce Curl and I don't even know what the other one was, but one was $40 and the Bounce Curl brush was $30. This one, $9.99. $9.99. And the quality, in my opinion, the quality is the same, if not better. We're gonna see if it's worth it. So I had to put a little more product in. I'm also gonna try it. Should I use a cream? No. Let's see if we can work with like just a light spray like this. This Heritage smells so good. That's what I want to do. I want to reorder the Mindy McKnight cream in that purple tube. I love that. Please correct me if I'm not doing this right. I don't know if I should go this way or the other way. Do this all in fast motion. I hope I'm doing it right. Look at that. I think what I should have done is I'm going to do this first. I'm going to start from underneath. So let's just... I'm going to put a little cream because my hair wants to stay together. It needs a little bit more. Just a little bit more of a leave-in or a cream for the thickness because I have a lot of hair here. So let's do that again. You could grab a lot with these brushes. They're so big. Okay, starting over. I mean, not all videos can turn out wonderful in the end. And you might say your hair doesn't look bad, but I don't know why it looks so much better on camera. This is what I see though. I feel like I see this everywhere. The no definition. That's totally my fault because I didn't use the brush right. Listen, truth be told, I'm not going to be using brushes. I'm going to be using my fingers because I just want to get things done quick, get it over with, and I can get a better achievement, if not the same as with these brushes. Now, I don't want to say that this isn't as good as the other 2 brushes because a couple of things. Another reason why I'm not filming hair videos this week is because I know when I'm in the shower what this texture means. I've mentioned it many times. It's my hormones affect my hair so much, and sometimes even the best product just doesn't want to work well for me, so it's not a fair review, I feel like. So we'll have to do that another day, but this will just be a video of, I don't know, hits and misses. And I don't want to say hits because I don't like to do that. I don't think it looks bad, but it doesn't look great. Look at that one curl. He's gonna start barking. I know it's my hormones because I'm very irritated, very irritated. That's why I had to take a break before, if truth must be told again. If you're around my age in the 50s, you know what I'm talking about. Okay. Guys, I am going to try this again. I don't want to say no to it. Because my hair came out really good the other day. It's like off and on. I don't know. I don't get it. So, I have to remember to do my intro. I'm going to do my intro now. Okay, guys, I'm going to go. The hair's feeling so big. Feels good, though. It's soft. I just didn't style it right. It's my fault. So, here we go. And that's how it will probably be for the rest of the day. I want to thank you for watching this video. And let me know if you have any new hair products for curls that you want me to try out. I need new products. I gotta get rid of some of these. They're probably so old. Okay, it's time to do another purge. Say hi. Come say hi. He's such a naughty boy, but I love him so much. Can I be a good boy? Hi, Wilma. Wilma's down here. She's not like a dog that you like. She doesn't like to get picked up. All right, guys, I'm going to go. I'll see you in the next video.